Hello everyone! Pi Network burst onto the cryptocurrency scene with a promise of easy mobile mining, attracting millions. Founded by Stanford graduates Nicholas Kokkalis, Chengdi Yaofan, and Vincent McPhillip, Pi aimed to democratize access to digital assets. Its 2019 launch offered mining simply by tapping a button daily on a smartphone, consuming minimal battery. This, coupled with a referral-based social mining system, spurred explosive growth. The initial focus was user acquisition. Referrals boosted mining rates, fostering a strong community and attracting a massive global user base eager to acquire crypto without financial investment. However, Pi Network's mainnet launch, the transition to a fully functional blockchain, remains pending. Currently, Pi exists in a closed network, preventing trading or exchange. These repeated delays are a major concern, raising questions about progress and the team's ability to deliver. While the founders are known, the broader Pi Network organization is less transparent. Information about other stakeholders, investors, or advisors is limited, fueling speculation about governance. Despite the team's emphasis on community involvement, the extent of its influence on key decisions remains unclear. Pi's future hinges on the successful mainnet launch. This transition is crucial, enabling Pi transactions and potentially paving the way for exchange listings. The uncertain timeline casts a long shadow. Establishing Pi's value is another significant hurdle. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi's value is undetermined. A planned marketplace within the Pi ecosystem, where users could use Pi for goods and services, is key. Its success and broader adoption as payment will be crucial for long-term value. Regulatory challenges also loom. The evolving cryptocurrency landscape demands careful navigation of complex regulations. The lack of clarity on Pi's legal status in various jurisdictions adds further uncertainty. Long-term sustainability is also a concern. While mining is currently free, network maintenance and ecosystem development costs must be addressed. The project's revenue model and financial sustainability remain unclear. Despite these challenges, Pi Network has disruptive potential. Its focus on accessibility has attracted a massive user base. If it successfully launches the mainnet, establishes Pi's value, and navigates regulations, it could become a significant player. However, the uncertainty surrounding its development make it a high-risk venture. The coming period will be critical. Whether Pi fulfills its promise or fades away remains to be seen. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.